Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Are we done with it yet?
No, not yet.
You sure?
Yes, sir. You want to give it a shot, Jeff?
No.
Gotta work that shoulder in a little bit.
It's
Hey, I mean, what we tell people is make sure you got good contact.
Oh, yeah.
Because with ours, I don't know, ours has a suppressor on it. Ours is more like a push, and that may be the same way, but
It is.
It's
Yeah, you know what?
it's solid.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Is that 2 shots?
That's 2 shots.
Are you in the military?
No.
We played a lot of Call of Duty on the Xbox, though.
Yeah. A lot of Call of Duty. There we go. Yeah.
All right, so this is round 1.
Holy cow. I got loose stomach. I made the mistake of standing behind it one time. And that,
Yeah.
I guess that's a,
Hey, man.
That distributes the air.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Muzzle brake.
Yeah, muzzle brake, exactly.
That's why I was getting such a positive experience from it. That's not fully automatic, is it?
no.
Okay.
Yeah, it's doing.